If you've created a digital product and it's not selling, I need you to hear this. It's probably not because your product is bad, it's because your structure is broken. So in this video, I'm going to show you the 5 real reasons most digital products flop and exactly how to fix yours without starting from scratch. Stay until the end because I'm going to show you the one shift that changes everything. Hi, my name is Michelle Spark, retired Army veteran. I help women turn their knowledge into income by building communities that convert, not just courses that sit there. If you've built something and it's not moving, this video might be the reset that you need. So they think, I'll just create it and people will come. If you didn't validate demand inside your community first, you're just guessing. So here's the fix. Talk about the problem first. Use validation posts like, if I created this, would anybody want it? Like, you need to validate the product ideas before you just go ahead and create it. Otherwise, you're just wasting time creating something nobody wants, all right? Ask questions. How do you like this product? What do you think I could add to it? What is it missing? Ask questions of your audience. They're the ones you're creating these products for. And then see what actually gets the engagement. Keep track of that so that you know what those products are that are actually working. And then build with your people, not for your people. So teaching too much. I want to tell you about this. I do this all the time. And I thought if I taught more, they'd buy my stuff. But this one's going to hurt, all right? Most digital products overwhelm instead of transform. You don't need 12 modules, 47 downloads, a 90-minute intro video. You need one clear outcome. That's it. People buy speed, not information. There's so much information out in the world today with ChatGPT and all the other AI tools that are out there. People can get the information that they're looking for. What they really want is a transformation. So in order to fix this, you need to simplify, give them one promise and one result. So if you're going to teach them how to sell more on Instagram, first step, upgrade your Instagram bio. One problem, one result. Let's get your Instagram selling for you, right? No emotional buy-in. You can't skip belief. You just can't. If your audience doesn't believe that the result is possible, believe that they can do it, and believe that you can help them, they're not going to buy. This is why community matters. Belief is built in repetition, conversation, and of course, leadership. So if you only talk about your offer like once every 6 weeks, it's not a product problem. It's a visibility problem. You need validation, story, and hype. This is a weekly rhythm. You got to put this together. And I did just create a video about that last week. So go check that one out, creating your weekly rhythm. And then, of course, you need consistent invitation. If you're not inviting people constantly, they're just going to forget about you and they're just going to keep scrolling. Sales happens in structure, not in spurts. All right. So maybe you don't have a community container, right? This is the big one. Most digital products are built without a community around them. That means there's no engagement, no ongoing belief building, and no warm audience. When you build community first, product second, everything just converts better. Your product becomes the next step, not a cold pitch. And that's the shift. So if you're realizing that your product doesn't need to be rebuilt, it needs a better system around it, you need to be inside of my free community, Online Profit Mastery. That's where I teach you how to build demand first, create simple offers, structure your weekly sales flow, and grow a community that buys. So click the link below and join us. The link is in the description, and you get access to my free Community Kickstart Blueprint course so that you can actually get started as soon as possible. So let's fix the structure, not scrap the dream. I'll see you in that video or inside Online Profit Mastery. Let's build this correctly. Bye for now. If you want to continue learning and growing together, watch this video that's coming up next, and I will see you over there.